All right, for this tutorial, we're going to look at how to grab some audio samples that we could use for our animations, for example, and how to use them in Audition. So where I want you to go is to go onto freesound.org. It's a fantastic website where you can search up different sounds. You can go footsteps, and get a whole range of different footsteps in there. So you can have concrete, you can have muddy, you can have puddles, whatever it is. So if you have a specific sound for a specific environment, this can be really useful. Now, the only thing to be able to download the sounds, you will need to make an account. So as you notice, I've made an account here. So it should say sign up. Use your DET email. Just use a username that you're going to remember and a password that you're going to remember. And then it should have a confirmation email that you just need to go to and confirm your details, so then you can download any sound. Because once you get into that, you can go into the sounds, you can listen to them, and then you can just press download if you want that. Now, I chose one of the footstep sounds. I've chosen the first one that I found, which was, so if I go footsteps, I chose this one on the concrete. Downloaded it, and now I'm going to show you how to use Audition. Now, Audition is really great. It means you can just use any variations. You don't have to stick with the sound that you have. So, I've got it here, the sound. All I've done was double-clicked in this area, found the sound that I want, double-clicked on that, and it downloaded in here. And then once it was in here, I double-clicked on this, which imports it into this area. Now, what you can do is have everything highlighted, so it should come up with this. If you press Control A, it should highlight it all. Then you can go into Effects, and you can choose some effects that you want to do. So say originally it sounds like footsteps, so I'm going to add some stretch and pitch, and I'm going to make like a sci-fi sound. So I'm just going to apply that now. It may take a while because I've chosen it pretty harsh. It will take 2 minutes or so. But what you can do is make a completely new sound that you want. Now, I only recommend using Audition if you have a sound that you're looking for that isn't part of freesound.org. Now, just have a search of what type of sound that you want in freesound.org, and you're probably going to find it. However, if you don't find it, you can take the audio sample and go into Audition and make those slight amendments. So this is going to take a little bit longer than I expected, but I'll just cut to the end when it's done. Alright, so once you are finished, it should sound completely different, like this, like Mr. Davis is telling you, if it plays. So I just got this random sounds, so they could be sci-fi. What you can do is edit out certain sounds by highlighting the areas that you don't want and pressing delete, and you can get that final sound if you want. Now, once you have a sound that you like, you can go File, Export, Export File, either as a WAV or a MP3 works, and you can put them wherever you want. So I'm just going to put this on the desktop so I can delete it. So press OK and say yes. Then once that's done, you should have an exported file on your desktop right here, which is your edited sound. Now, what I want you to do, I want you to make 3 different edited sounds in Audition. So find a sound on freesound.org, tell me what that original sound was, and then go in here and play with the effects a little bit to try and change the sound into something else. So I want 3 of those submitted into Google Classroom.